So, good day everyone. Today we will discuss the lesson 3, the netizens and netiquette. So, the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to first, to describe the community of learners as netizens who share and utilize digital materials and practice standard netiquette in sharing and utilizing shared materials among learning communities. So, the court dismissed the parents' petition and ruled that the school did not violate the minor's privacy rights. According to the court, the school cannot be faulted for being steadfast in it. The case cited here calls for internalization of social media education and etiquette among online users. The bottom line of this case is to pay attention to the call for responsible use of social media, that is, for the inclusion of social media etiquette in the curriculum or integration in good manners and right conduct. All social media can attain many things in terms of social good. Brutus 2015 in Bilbao et al. 2019. So this lesson po discuss the importance of social media etiquette and responsible online behavior. A court is cited as an example highlighting the need for incorporating social media etiquette into education to promote social good. And the lesson emphasized the responsible use of social media and its potential positive impact. So, the things you put online can stay there forever and might be the first thing people notice about you. A bit like a tattoo. With every new feature you add to your profile, you're adding to a digital tattoo. We've all got one, and people that know you and people who don't can see it and learn a lot from it. What does yours say about you? So, think you know that co.uk outlines 5 things to ask before you post. So, first is, what do I look like? So always remember that the way you look like in what you share and your intention for sharing it is not always perceived the way you originally intended to be. People can still get you wrong. Next is this ink permanent? So anything you share online is beyond your control. Even if you delete all, sure, you can never tell how many have copied or download it and how many are sharing it. So next is, am I giving away too much? So keep your identity as private as you could. Don't reveal too much of your personal information. Next is, would I want this shirt about me? So think twice before you share something that involves other people. Always ask permission from them if you're going to share some example, a funny picture with them. Last is, does it pass the billboard test? So think twice before sharing something online. Reflect whether you would be happy to see it on a billboard where they feel your family, school, and community could see it. So every day, whether we want to or not, most of us contribute to a growing portrait of who we are online. A portrait that is probably more public than most of us assume. So no matter what you do online, you must know what kind of trails, digital footprints you're leaving and what the possible effects can be. You are making a picture of who you are out of your digital footprint, so make sure it's accurate. To facilitate this, Internet Society has this tip. First is the learn basics. So, what's a digital footprint? So, all the stuff you leave behind as you use the internet, your app, comments, email records, posts, and Skype calls are parts of your online history, your digital footprint. So next, know why should you manage your digital footprint. So you must understand what you're leaving behind when you visit a website, because the web is listening every time you see it. So make mistake about it. Next is watch online tutorials. So to safeguard your online identity, there are online tutorials that can help you not only to learn your digital footprints but also to help you make the right choices. So know your manners when using technology. The poor netiquette can stick around to disturb you much longer if not forever because the rule books of etiquette are just as vital in cyberspace as they are in the real world. Hartney 2020 suggested 10 basic rules of netiquette to avoid damaging your online and offline relationship. So that's all po. Thank you.